It's time for a quick garden update. These are the butter peas, and they are blooming, so that's a good thing. We like that. Lots of blooms. I don't know if you can see, but lots of blooms. The zucchini looks really good. It's doing good. And the beans they're Blue Lake pole beans. Just thought I'd give you a little beauty shot here of the impatiens that are in big pots at the end of the garden. This is our peas, our cream 12s. And this whole weekend and the end of last week, we have had a lot of rain. And I don't know if you can tell how good these are standing up on this row here, but over in the middle, they're laying down. The rain just beat them down. And they're such beautiful plants. And, you know, they're going to start blooming really soon. And I just really I hope, we've got sunshine today, so I'm hoping that the sun helps them stand back up. We do have some blooms on the peas. I just noticed I didn't see these before. So these are blooms on the cream peas. This garden is our main garden. I don't know, maybe you call it a kitchen garden. Some of the other stuff that we have planted is over across the street at the 20 acres across the street. And only over there we've got some corn that is kind of pitiful because the goats ate it, and some pole beans in a long row that are not doing so well because of where they are. So we're learning that ground over there, and it'll get better. Next year will be a better year because now we know things that we didn't know this year about that ground. There's the zucchini. Here's from the other end, the northish end, with the peas. And look at this bell pepper. I've never grown these before. They look like chocolate. I'm going to pick those in just a minute. And these are the Japanese eggplant. There's two of them. And they've got an eggplant that I'm about to pick too. They're huge. I don't usually let them get quite that big. But because of the rain and not being able to get out here so very much, they've gone a little crazy. These are the yellow squash, the 3 rows of yellow squash. And they have still been bearing. This weekend we got another bushel. So, you know, we've gotten like 4 to 5 bushels, between 4 and 5 bushels off of these 3 little rows of yellow squash. And they've got some more coming on probably this afternoon. We probably will need to pick again if the rain holds off, but I hear thunder in the background. And I know I don't have to tell y'all that zucchini is way prolific. There's one that got kind of big, but that's okay because we put up zucchini relish, and by the way, there'll be a video on that really soon. And we really like it, and you need big zucchini for that. You don't need the little tiny ones for the zucchini relish. So that's okay. We let them get big sometimes on purpose so that we can put up plenty of zucchini relish. We like it. It's really good. And so also using zucchini, we do have a video. One of the first videos we put up is on making zucchini bread, which is really yummy. So if you haven't seen the zucchini bread recipe and watched that video, go back and watch it. And I'll try to remember to have Ashley maybe link it below in the description of this. So that's just a little short tour around how the garden's doing. These peas, like I say, I hope that they could stand back up and that they do well, because we really like peas here at Pemberley Farm. So I'd like to thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. God bless you and have a great day from Pemberley Farm.